So how can you go from one column to the next in a Google Sheets on iPhone? And let's explain that and let's get started. If this is your first time on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing because I have plenty of tutorials which you're going to benefit from. Anyways, what you need to do is to just get inside your spreadsheet like that and then tap on any individual cell which you can or want to edit or browse or whatever. And you can see once we have the cell selected, in the bottom right corner, we have two buttons. One is going to go down in rows and the other is going to move to the right through the columns, right? So this replaces the keys on the actual physical keyboard if you were to use the Google Sheets on a computer, right? So on the iPhone, we use it like that. So we can jump back and forth, and that's like how it works. Keep in mind, however, that also when you are like editing or adding the text, you can get there by double tapping the individual cell. You can just tap on any of the other places within the spreadsheet and just type in your text in there. So it also allows you to jump back and forth and also just add stuff however you like. So yeah, let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and quick tips like this one. And if you meant something else or if it doesn't work for you specifically, share your experience below. It's possible I'll make an updated video, a more tailored one for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.